Still working on all this wood, y'all, that's been down since September. Some of it has been down since May, but not what you're looking at. So this stuff back here has been down since May, but we're working on it. Weather is finally permitting, so we're working on it. Might not be necessarily witchy content, but believe you me, there's going to be a lot of witchy stuff that comes out of all this. Some of it we are obviously chopping up for firewood that we can sell, but some of it's going to be used for different things. So anyways, y'all stay witchy, bitches.